Hi, I'm Lisa Valenti, registered dietitian with Healthline. If you have diabetes, you need to be mindful of the amount of carbs on your plate, but I still want you to eat delicious and satisfying meals. So let's talk about some smart swaps you can make to save over 120 grams of carbs. Swap cauliflower rice for white rice to save 23 grams of carbs in 1/2 cup. You can make your own cauliflower rice in a food processor or purchase it fresh or frozen. Trade up your spaghetti noodles for zucchini noodles and save about 40 grams of carbs in 1 cup of cooked noodles. Zucchini noodles are just long strands of the vegetable, and you can use them in all your favorite pasta recipes. Dunk bell pepper slices instead of potato chips to save 14 grams of carbs per 1 ounce serving. Look, I get it, peppers aren't chips, but sometimes you just need something crunchy to dip. Try guacamole or hummus for a satisfying snack. Choose thin bread over bakery-style bread to save 27 grams of carbs. Hear me out. Bread is not off limits if you have diabetes, but 2 big slices can add 55 grams of carbs. Choosing a smaller thin bread or an English muffins means you can still enjoy your sandwich. Other low-carb options include low-carb bread or a lettuce wrap. Up the satisfaction by packing in protein-rich toppings and vegetables. Try almond flour instead of all-purpose flour to save 18 grams of carbs in just a 1/4 cup. It's not a one-to-one substitution, but look for recipes that call for almond flour instead to bread chicken or in baked goods. It's a great ingredient to play around with for lower carb recipes. You don't have to completely cut out carbs when you have diabetes, but making smart swaps can help. And some of our swaps can even be used to boost the volume on starchier dishes. You can combine cauliflower rice and white rice to up the portion if you don't want to give up white rice completely. Find what works for you. For more nutrition tips, check out healthline.com.